Welcome to the world of tablet app development, where imagination and technology collide to create extraordinary experiences. Join us as we explore the impact of tablet apps across various industries. Tablets have become a powerful tool for businesses across industries, bringing convenience and efficiency to the forefront. Let's dive into the benefits of tablet app development in different sectors. Education. In the field of education, tablets open new avenues for interactive learning. With engaging apps and educational content, students can grasp complex concepts with ease. 78% of educational institutions worldwide use tablets to enhance the learning experience. Healthcare. Tablet apps revolutionize healthcare, allowing medical professionals to access patient records, provide remote consultations, and streamline workflow, resulting in better patient care. Has seen a 56% increase in tablet adoption in the healthcare sector. Retail store. In the retail industry, tablets enhance the shopping experience, enabling personalized recommendations, mobile payments, and real-time inventory updates, empowering businesses to meet customer demands efficiently. 70% of retailers have adopted tablets to streamline operations and enhance the customer experience. Hospitality. Hotels leverage tablet apps to deliver seamless guest experiences, from self-check-ins to concierge services, ensuring every stay is comfortable and memorable. 70% of hotels and resorts worldwide use tablets for guest services, including check-ins, concierge assistance, and room controls. Real estate office. Tablet apps have transformed the real estate industry, allowing agents to present virtual property tours, showcase listings, and provide accurate information to potential buyers, simplifying the home buying process. 67% of real estate agents use tablets to showcase properties and provide virtual property tours. Manufacturing facility. Tablet apps streamline operations in manufacturing and logistics, facilitating inventory tracking, production monitoring, and efficient supply chain management, boosting productivity and reducing errors. 80% of manufacturing and logistics companies use tablets for inventory management and warehouse operations. Oil and gas site. In the oil and gas industry, tablet apps play a vital role in remote monitoring, data analysis, and safety inspections, enabling real-time decision-making and enhancing operational efficiency. 68% of oil and gas companies use tablets for field data collection and monitoring. Tablet apps have revolutionized the way industries operate, from education and healthcare to retail and hospitality. With their versatility and user-friendly interface, tablets are transforming. Ready to leverage the power of tablet apps for your industry? Contact us today and let us help you build a customized, tailored app to your business needs.